Trading in 2025 has been no joke. These are extremely volatile times, but I'm going to show you in today's video how I made almost 500 bucks while largely avoiding a lot of the chaos. Now, before we begin, we're going to go ahead and actually start by reviewing a couple trades that I took over on TradingView. So let's go ahead and pull up the charts and we'll begin right here. So basically what I was looking at started actually last night. We were over on NQ. So the two contracts that I'm going to be pretty much trading between are going to be ES and NQ. I will prefer one over the other for specific scenarios, but coming back to essentially right into this action right here, we can see that we formed a higher low. So with this little bit of an area of interest, as this being a higher low with the fair value gap right here, a target over here, I was able to take the long into that high. That's a really easy layup trade for me. That's the type of trade I'm going to take 10 times out of 10 times. And ultimately, it leads to me walking away with $278. Not too bad, not too shabby. These are the types of base hits that you want to be stacking, especially as a futures trader. If you are new to futures, I definitely recommend looking into prop firms, something such as Top One, where they are running a tremendous deal. You can actually get $150K funded account instantly with $6,000 of drawdown for only $399. I've never seen a deal like that. You can do that 50% off all month using my code. Just use it, DTA. You'll save some money. And honestly, it's a product that I stand behind. I really enjoy Project X. I do all my charting on TradingView, and Project X has a TradingView integration, which makes it so seamless. Now, again, when we're talking about different prices, these are some of the accounts you're looking at for instant funded. We're talking 400 bucks gets you $6,000 of risk. You can't beat that. But back to the trade review. This is what I did today. I was on a call. Yeah, I wasn't really looking to take a trade. However, I did see that there was a level of interest in play. Right here, you can see it notated in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, this is just a snapshot from one of the channels. You can see that there was a prior day high rejection, and I took a continuation of that short to almost the swing low. I just took it off based on discretion. This is part of the free Discord. Anybody can join. The link to join the Discord is in the description. Same thing with any of my links. You'll always find them in the description. So if you do want to sign up with Top One, links down there, and every single entry or order gets you an entry into potentially winning one of 5 accounts. So keep that in mind. Definitely take advantage of this. It's a great way to stock up on some extra risk. Maybe you want to expand your trading profile, trade different setups. It's good to kind of have different accounts. So, but getting back into the trade review, you can see today was a short, yesterday was a long. Pretty balanced day overall between Asia and then New York. But what I want to talk about is, why is the market dying? I think that's what traders want to know. Why is the market dying? Well, frankly, who knows? The long and short of it is tariffs obviously is going to play a big factor into what's driving the market. But what we see here is a dramatic sell-off, largely respecting our new week opening gap from a couple weeks ago. So that is also worth noting, I would say, all the way back to here, believe it or not. Kept a lid on it pretty well. So from new week opening gap to new week opening gap, I mean, it's pretty nice action. So today's bias, I was bullish off the open. I did initially put into the Discord in my pre-market plan that I was looking for potentially upside. Based on the fact that we kind of sold into here, I wasn't necessarily thinking that we would continue selling. If we have a London expansion, New York reversal is very common. So all of these lower highs right here, these made for easy targets. However, I could not find a damn entry. I was on the 1 minute and we just did not ever have a 1 minute pullback. We had one up here, right? Like finally up here. I kind of hesitated, didn't really like it all that much. This trade was a little bit better. Maybe should have taken that. You live and you learn. I was overly patient in the morning, but I'm not too upset with that, just given the fact that today was an extremely volatile day. So it's very easy to get caught in some sort of trap. It's better just to play it safe. You know, this is the first day trading on the Top One futures funded account, instant funded, 150K. That's what I recommend you go with. That's if you're an established trader and you know what your edge is, just do that. It's going to be the best deal. But if you're a newer trader, definitely use an eval. I think evals are great for traders just starting out. Even if you eventually want to trade personal capital, use the confines of an evaluation account. It's going to save you a lot of time and headache. And honestly, it's something I wish I did when I started. So that's kind of what I had in mind today. You know, I'm trading on a new account, don't want to necessarily rush the process, right? So I'm going to take it slow, chip away, hit base hits, you know, get a really, really nice cushion in the account, and then we'll go from there. Because the goal with Top One futures is you do want to be progressing towards that live funded status with the clearest path to live, it's pretty sick. Like, I know a lot of prop firms talk about live trading. Not a lot of them actually implement a whole lot of live traders. So it's something that I'm really looking forward to building towards. But back to the trade review. That was pretty much it for the open. As you can see, it gets real tight and it consolidates and just grinds higher all day. Really tough to get involved. If you're not in early, you're kind of screwed. So this is pretty much my day in a nutshell. You can get glimpses of my thought process, you know, how I handle the potential FOMO and this and that. All of that's recorded from the stream, from the Discord. You can find that on the channel as well. So just take a look around the YouTube. You'll find what you need. But yeah, until next time, just wanted to break down a couple trades that I took for you and show you exactly how it doesn't take a lot to make a lot while trading futures. So until next time, trade safe, and we'll talk soon.